It's early release day. I am leaving work to go get my hair done. Period. I feel so good. Leaving work to go do my hair. Yeah, so we are heading to go get our hair done. We are getting our hair done for my engagement shoot. Oh my gosh, it's super hot. Oh, it's 90 degrees right now. To snatch this wig off in a second. All right, so we are gonna do my hair for my engagement shoot, which is tomorrow. Today is April the 5th. The pictures are tomorrow. I know, ain't no way. Let me tell you something. These people are crazy. School gets out. These are some crazy parents. It's 12:30 right now on the dot in the afternoon. School gets out at 2 o'clock. There's parents. There's at least 7 cars in the parent pickup line already. School gets out in another hour and a half. It's not that deep. If that's the case, you might as well go pick up your kid and have them release early, because you're going to wait in your car for an hour and a half. We are going to Paramount Styles from Shelda. Shout out to her. I'm super excited. It's my first time getting my hair done by her. This is my first time getting bundles installed, so I'm super excited, and I hope everything turns out really good. And I did wash my hair last night. Ouch. So I just had this wig on top of my head with a hat because I had to blow out my hair. So yeah, anywho, I'm super excited. I gotta save up on my battery because
I long for that feeling. Why did it have to go away? I long for that feeling. Remember everything you said. Had to go on dreaming, dreaming. 'Cause baby, you are everywhere. I wish that you were here, 'cause I don't want nobody else. I'm not afraid to be alone, new beginnings. I'm not afraid to overcome every feeling that I have. So take me in your arms. Yeah.
do y'all see me?
It's giving up my skin, Barry.
Right?
Oh, it looks so cute. She did good. It don't even look like it looks like a pumpkin.
Literally, like the way she slicked my hair, I'm like, I didn't know this was possible. She's like, yeah. She's like, especially if you have good hair like that. I'm like, oh. You just got to go to the right people, because not everybody knows how to work with like the spraying and the drying, and like you know, it's a process.
Yeah, it looks really good.
She did the thing.
It looks lovely. Is your hair hard on the top?
Yes, but no. Well, yeah, I'm gonna say yeah. It's definitely, if I push it in, it's gonna crunch.
Oh, okay. It's gonna last though. It looks like it's gonna last.
I'm about to get DJ's reaction of my hair. Okay, guys. What?
Oh man.
You like it?
Yes.
Shit. You gonna cry? cute.
Yes, it is.
You like it?
Yes, I like it, babe. I love it.
Do I look like I'm ready to get married?
Oh my God, girl. What?
Speechless, Jet.
Dang, that's crazy.
It's crazy.
Wow.
It's cute for real. Never had something like this, huh? Anyway, Jet is starstruck.
Mm-hmm.
You doing?
Yeah. I can't believe
What?
just trying to marry you, man. That's crazy.
Can't believe it.
That's crazy.
Yeah, well, you better. You are funny.
Wow. Yeah, I like it. It's cute. It's definitely different.
Yeah, it's gonna go with that dress. This is like wedding-esque fiance. Wedding's on point.
Oh, okay.
I didn't show you the shoes.
No? Where you got the shoes from?
Macy's.
The Macy's?
And your gift card came in clutch too.
Oh, did? What I put on the 50?
25.
Oh, 25.
Come look. Here's the shoes.
Oh, okay. Internet INC. Yep, that I remember. Whoa. Okay.
Check me out.
Yes. Damn. Yep. INC, baby.
About to be a baddie.
What's going on? Oh, okay. So it's cool. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Girl don't miss.
Nope.
She don't miss, y'all. Girl don't miss.
Hold on.
Oh, I hear you now. I hear
I'm
you.
not on mute.
Okay, I hear you. What the heck? Is it my phone?
Call you back.
Yeah. Alright guys, so this is the look for tomorrow. Oh my gosh. I'm a princess. Yeah. It's open.
Not so far. I know it's you.
Hold on. I'm about to surprise them. Is it giving fiance? Amazing feelings.
Oh,
Hey, Mary.
what's up, Barry?
Oh, hold on. Let me give you the 411. You're dumb. Mary's seen it already. I've been on FaceTime for like 20 minutes now. Oh,
Is it cute? I'm putting my own curls tomorrow because I'm gonna curl it more.
Yeah. It was just curled. I laid down.
Shouldn't you take the switcher off and y'all have for both?
I am gonna. I already should. I know what to take it off. I'm not gonna wear it.
Period.
You need to practice it.
Period.
Mary.
Oh, it got pockets?
Yeah, I got
It
pockets.
get bored.
I'm gonna take a picture with it too, cause so I can say, and it got pockets.
Period.
I'm Ashley. I need to get set.
Oh, I did cute.
She said
They
not
don't
where.
But do we? Yeah.
We
One
just
day by
have to,
last
like,
year. You
look
want that
it up.
shit. Okay.
Mary, I know it's good. Oh my gosh, look at all the glitter on the couch from this dress.
So where I have y'all shoot at?
The breakers.
Oh, yeah. Pick up your box.
Okay, it's off. Happy?
We're going to speak real now. Yeah, you know you feel better.
I cannot with this girl.
Later, you have to show me No, that's her engagement picture dress.
We didn't want to like switch that in, so we just took it out. But it's still good.
It looks good. It
I
has
can't
pockets.
return it. I wouldn't return it.
Where'd you get the dress from?
Windsor.
What's doing?
Windsor. In Wellington
I
Mall.
like that place. Yeah. That's where I had all my dresses for my bachelorette.
Oh, how many dresses you had?
So,
How many dresses you had?
$1. It was on sale. I got like 5 of them.
This girl. 5.
In the closet.
Yeah, this is
Jonathan never take me on a date, so I can wear it.
girl, because he taking you out of the country.
Woo! She said what?
Because he taking you out of the country. I'm like, hey, what's up? Hello. Hey, y'all. So welcome back. I am on my way. This is going to be a behind the scenes vlog of me getting ready for my engagement shoot. So yeah, I'm going to be doing a get ready with me video. So it'll probably be up either before or after this vlog. But this vlog is more so behind the scenes. So yeah, my nails are already done. So we're not going to focus on that. We're just going to go get a pedicure right now. And then get on with whatever else we got to do. Y'all did see me get my hair done already. So we're going to go ahead and get our pedicure and come back home. We are on the way back home because we just finished up my pedicure. Feeling oh so delicious. I just love a good pedicure. Let me take care of my feet more because I be having teacher feet sometimes. It is hot. Oh my gosh. I'm trying to take pictures.